This is a used 2013 Dodge Journey. Grab life by the horns. It's powered by front-wheel drive engine and an automatic transmission. With fewer than 10,000 miles, this vehicle is like new. The features include push-button start, a satellite radio, steering wheel controls, alloy rims, cruise control, keyless entry, an MP3 player, privacy glass, air conditioning, power windows. Safety was made a priority with these features: side airbags, brake assist, traction control, stability control, a passenger airbag, low tire pressure warning, anti-lock brakes, child safety locks. Rest easy knowing this vehicle comes with a Carfax Vehicle History Report from Carfax, the most trusted provider of vehicle history information. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today.